Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Ibrahim. Okay, now, okay, viewer, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, I'm here. I will explain about experiencing text. Explanatory text is a text that contains the process of why and how natural, social, scientific, neutral, and others even that occur. And even whether it is a natural event or a social event that occurs around us, always has a causal relationship and process. Okay, number two, social function explanation. Social function of expression text is to explain the reason how and why something happened. In the text, those reasons are being elaborated further and more in depth, such the processes involved in the formation of working of natural and socio-cultural phenomena. Okay, generic structure of expression text. There are two parts of the expression text, namely general statement contains general information about the topic to be discussed in the text. Explanation contains a series of events, sequence of events of a process which is the topic of the text. We can also explain using why and how question so that our explanation is more comprehensive. Okay, number three, closing. The closing or closing section is optional or does not have to be in the text. This section may contain additional information or the author's opinion on the topic covered. Okay, this is the example about expression text. Flood. A flood is an overflow of water that submerges land that is usually dry. The European Union Floods Directive defines a flood as a covering by water of land not normally covered by water. In the sense of flowing water, the word might also be applied to the it might occur as an overflow of water from water bodies, such as a river, lake, or ocean, in which the water overtops or mixed liquids, resulting in some of that water escaping its usual boundaries, or it might occur due to expansion of rainwater on saturated ground in an aerial flood. While the size of a lake or other body of water will vary with seasonal changes in precipitation and snow melt. These changes in size are unlikely to be considered significant unless they flood property of ground domestic animals. Floods can also occur in rivers when the flow rate exceeds the capacity of the river channel, particularly at banks or meanders in the waterway. Floods often cause damage to homes and business if they are in the natural floodplains of a river, while reference flood damage can be eliminated by moving away from rivers and other bodies of water. People and because rivers provide easy travel and access to commerce and industry. Some floods develop slowly, while others such as flash floods can develop in just a few minutes and without visible sign of rain. Additionally, floods can be local, impacting a neighborhood or community, or very large, affecting entry river basins. Okay? Thank you your attention. This is the explain about explanation tag. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.